basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners tutorials. The following videos are open to anyone at any level, maybe CAD enthusiasts, would-be CAD operators, or even novice users. You may use this as your guide in discovering or exploring AutoCAD as software as tool in developing your CAD projects. Introduction to CAD and AutoCAD software, some of the basic draw commands, as well as modify commands are comprehensively discussed in the presentation. You can play and pause the videos to furtherly understand the lesson. And don't forget to perform the tasks relevant to the lessons which will be shown after every video tutorial. This would be supplementary activities in enhancing and mastering your skills. Parts of this lesson 3 of the tutorials, it show how modify commands be used in accomplishing your CAD projects. These commands used in modifying or editing drawings. Move, copy, erase, trim and extend or stretch, offset, and mirror commands were some of the commands presented in this section. Erasing is different from cutting a portion of an object or drawing. Then it is called trimming. Trim portion that you wanted to return to its original or prolong more than to its original measure or length, then you are extending. Parts of this tutorial are presentation of trim and extend commands. Trim command used to cut part of an object, determining its boundary, while extend command used to lengthen linears and curves at a specified distance or boundary.
As you can see, we have 5 horizontal lines at dalawang nakatakilid na linya o tinatawag nating inclined lines. These 2 inclined lines will be used as the boundaries in cutting the portion of horizontal line as well as in extending it. In trimming and extending in AutoCAD ay kailangang merong boundary na magsisilbing cutter or in extending magiging hangganan nito. Sa paggamit ng trim command, maaaring pumunta ng Home tab. In the Modify panel, hanapin ang trim command icon, then select this icon by left-clicking o maaari ring gamitin ang shortcut keys nito by typing TR or i-type ang kabuuang pangalan ng command and hit Enter or Spacebar to activate the command. Sinasabi in the command window that we need to select the objects na kung saan ang mga bahagi nito ay siyang ating puputulin o tatanggalin. You can pick the object one by one or apply crossing para sa mas madali ang pagpili. This time, we need to select the objects that will serve as the boundaries. Ito ay importante in trimming the object. Let us select these 2 inclined o nakatagilid na linya. This will be our boundaries in cutting the horizontal lines. Pagkatapos na piliin, pindutin ang Enter or Spacebar key. At ngayon, click the portions you need to cut. Again, select it by hitting the left button of your mouse. Zoom in the drawing space using the scroll button. So yan, naputol na natin ang bahagi ng mga objects o ng mga linya using trim command. Nakita na natin ang proseso ng paggamit ng trim command. Ngayon, gusto ko muna na i-undo lahat ng ginawa natin by pressing Ctrl plus Z keys to return the previous steps na ginawa natin. So ayan, nabalik na natin sa original na drawing. Ngayon, same command ang gagamitin natin ngunit iba at mas madali ang paraan ng pag-perform nito. Gamit ang trim command, type the shortcut keys TR, but this time instead of pressing Enter or Spacebar key ng isang beses, we need to press it twice to activate the command. Di na kailangan pang iselect ang mga boundaries, instead, kailangan na lang na pindutin ang portions na kailangan tanggalin. And there we have it. Mas madali ang paraan na ito kung ikukumpara natin ito sa naunang paraan. The important thing is you determine or set your boundary or boundaries first before you perform the trimming process. Now, if you wish to stretch your lines, then we can use the extend command. Same in using trim command, I will introduce 2 ways in performing extend command. But you need also to remember, just like in trimming, boundary is vital in extending the line. One way in using extend command is by going to modify panel under home tab and find the icon. Puntahan ang trim command icon. Katabi nito ay may tinatawag tayong flyout, an arrow beside the icon. Click this flyout to see the extend command icon, then select it using the left button of the mouse to activate the command. Ngayon, kailangan nating piliin ang boundary. Click this line at i-press ang enter or spacebar key. Pagkatapos ay piliin naman natin ang mga linya na kailangang i-extend. Pindutin ito using left button of the mouse. At ayan, ganyan lang kadali ang paggamit ng extend command upang pahabain ang linya. Pero katulad ng trim command, mayroon ding madaling paraan ng paggamit nito. Ibalik muna ulit natin ang drawing sa dati niyang anyo by pressing Ctrl plus Z keys. This time, gamit ang shortcut keys ng extend command, type EX keys in the command window and hit enter or spacebar key ng 2 beses, gaya ng sa trim command, at start clicking your lines that need to be extended. Gamit ang crossing process in selecting your objects ay maaari ring gamitin, but reminder lamang, make sure in trimming or extending ay nakikita natin in the drawing area or space ang boundary or boundaries upang ma-perform ito, kasi kung hindi, maaring hindi matrim o ma-extend ang mga linya. You can zoom out the space upang mas makita ang mga ito. Let's move the drawing area or space using pan command. Sa pagpapatuloy, mayroon tayo ditong drawings. On the left side of the screen, we have this drawing that will serve as the model kung ano ang magiging itsura after using the trim command gamit ang drawing sa right side nito. Ito yung preliminary drawing or sketch bago mabuo ang final output in the left side. In the sketch, meron tayong 3 bilog with different sizes and common center, as well as yung 2 linya in color white crossing to each other na magsisilbing boundaries. Let's start solving the drawing. At this point, kailangan nating gumamit ng trim command upang tanggalin ang ibang parte ng drawing based sa ipinapakita ng model at the left side. So type the shortcut keys TR, then press twice the enter or spacebar key. Click the portions of every line or shape in the drawing. Gamitin ang drawing at the left side as guide in completing the task. Napakadali lang naman ng paggamit ng trim command to cut the portion of the drawings or lines. Always remember that you determine first your boundary, o kung wala, lagyan muna ito bago magsimula ng trimming process. Sa ngayon, tapos nang tanggalin ang mga parte ng drawing na hindi naman gaano kailangan at naging parehas ang resulta ng drawings. This time, let's try to apply the extend command para ibalik ang itsura nito. Type EX keys. As the shortcut keys nito, again, press the enter or spacebar key twice. Hindi kailangan pang pindutin ang mga boundaries, but to make sure na mayroon na kayong nailagay na boundaries nito, pindutin ang mga linya na kailangang i-extend gamit ang left button ng mouse. So that's how easy to use extend and trim command, most especially in solving drawing problems. Maximize the use of these 2 essential commands to easily complete the task.
Don't forget to put boundary before trimming and extending.